Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Smtp. You can see this is the website Smtp, and what's it about? It's about exceptional email deliverability. You get transactional and email relay API. So many great things you get here. They are the industry leaders in deliverability. Experience smtp.com for yourself to see why their customers love them and why those who leave often come back. You can choose a plan by clicking here. So what are the services they offer? You get complete email delivery suite. Their goal is to get your emails into subscribers' inbox, aside from maintaining an impeccable IP reputation among ISPs and offering you the absolute best in email sending. You have the in-house experts to answer your questions. So there's effortless onboarding, scalable infrastructure, industry-leading delivery, all backed by expert support for the customers worldwide, regardless of your pricing plan. So they have the application defender, high volume sender. It has if you're a high volume sender, it has a purpose built solution just for you. Dedicated platform, flexibility, application defender, like I said earlier. You can also get a custom quote by clicking here. You can use it for all of your email sending needs, like notification, registration emails, authentication emails, order confirmation, status updates, policy change emails. Just sign up by clicking here. So why do businesses trust them? Find out by reading about them. So you can purchase an Smtp email relay plan and get started with about 50,000 emails for $25 per month. Purchase on, or you can view other plans. Depends on you.